To change your ascendancy in Path of Exile 2, you need to follow the simple steps. First, you need to redo the ascendancy trial. You need to complete the ascendancy trial that corresponds to the number of the ascendancy points that you currently have. For example, if you have 4 ascendancy points, you need to redo the trial that grants 4 points. Refund the ascendancy points. Talk to the Balbala or the trial master in the final room of the trial you just completed and choose the option to refund all of your current ascendancy points. Make sure that you have 0 points allocated in your ascendancy tree and choose a new ascendancy. Interact with the altar of accession and click the change button, and this will allow you to select a new ascendancy from the options available from your base class. And after selecting your new ascendancy, you'll have the same number of ascendancy points to locate in your new ascendancy tree. This feature lets you experiment with different ascendancies and was added as a quality of life improvement. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.